Without code expertise, AI will not help you. Mark these words. These are not mine. These are given by Claude AI, which was created by Anthropic company. So in those courses, they clearly mention that so you should have an expertise in any one of the programming languages like C++, Java, Python, etc. Without knowing any OOPS language, it is very tough to understand AI. Why? You want to know? So then let's continue into the video. Hello friends, welcome back to our channel VS Coding Academy. Currently AI is everywhere, and and every software developer is using AI. And to use AI and to analyze the output given by AI, you should know and you should be having like code expertise. For that one, the mandatory things you need to know is number one is any OOPS language like C++, Java, Python, etc. Without having a proper knowledge of these and without knowing OOPS language, it will be very tough to be as a to become a software developer in any software company. And number two, we should know DSA. So currently, like in any interview, like there will be a one round of or one two rounds of DSA will be there. DSA is to understand your logical thinking. So how you think, if you have any issue, like how you will analyze and how you kickstart of that problem, like that. All these things will be analyzed in the DSA rounds. So think like DSA is must and DSA is mandatory for any of the interviews if you want to become a developer. And next, you should know system design. System design means like low level design and high level design. LLD and HLD we will say. In LLD, we have like design patterns, solid principles, and everything. In design patterns, we have like creational patterns, behavioral patterns, and structural patterns. So you should know all these things, and you should know about solid principles and when we will use what patterns, that you should know. And these are all like mandatory things. Previously, without AI, like we should know like OOPS language, DSA, and system design done. So you will be good at interviews. But now, like fourth one came, which is AI. So without AI, like it will be very tough to survive in the company. So and without knowing these three, and it is not easy to understand AI. Like since like you all know in YouTube and TV everywhere they are showing like AI will generate code, then why we need to learn all these languages? Okay, AI will give you the code, but you should know is it right or wrong. So other, if you don't know the language, then how you will decide like what AI given is right or wrong. So this is the key point. I am not telling this point. So if you want to learn AI, Anthropic company only given the course, and there are like 18 topics were there in that in their course. So I will go through that also. Like if you want to learn AI, that is the best course. You need to check it out. And what is there in that course? In that course, like they will tell like in the cloud there are like different models are there, like like Sonnet, Haiku, Opus, and everything. You need to know for which issue like which model you need to use. So suppose Opus is one of the like top model, like where it will use more tokens for every issues. So for simple issue or simple questions, if you use Opus, your tokens will be gone. So you need to know like for Opus is for only for hard issues, and if you want to use for medium issues like that, then you need to go for Sonnet. If it is some basic jiras and basic issues, then you need to go for Haiku. So you need to know like which model at what point like you need to use. Otherwise it is waste of time, like if the company giving you like Claude AI and you don't know when to use and you are spending more tokens, then your company has to pay Claude money for the tokens. So if you are using, and they will track all the tokens, like how many tokens you are using and how many issues you worked on that and why you used that many tokens. Everything will be tracked in the Claude app. So it is crazy. Like it is not like Claude is if you get the Claude license and we can use how many tokens we want. No. So and no one knows like how many tokens I used and I can use it for my personal things. No. So everything will be tracked, or every question will be tracked. What are you typing in the Claude? Everything is tracked very clearly, and they will question you. Like if you are using more tokens and if you are finishing less jiras, then they may ask you like what's happening and why are you using this many tokens and why they got bill of that much for you on your license. So please keep a track on that one. So this is not like a simple thing like where AI will do everything, then why I need to learn coding? This is just dumb question, and don't believe on those things. And like Microsoft is rolling out from cloud licenses because they are paying like millions of dollars for the cloud licenses. Now they are rolling out, and again they are having their own copilot, and they are telling employees to use copilot. So better, like I'm telling you right now, like first be strong on the basics, any oops language like one or two, Python or C++ or Java. Why I'm telling C++ means, many people don't know C++. C++ is old and no one will use C++, but that is wrong assumption. C++ will be used in all banking sector companies, all like insurance companies, all like and other like we have electronics companies, and many companies will use C++. So don't think like C++ is old. C++ is fastest language. That's why many people, and background of AI, background of chat GPT and copilot and everything is C++. So front is Python and back end is C++. That's why C++ is one of the fastest language in current situation. And or if you want, if you like Python, so learn Python, then learn DSA. So take some course. So there is something like Ravindra Babu sir will be there in there will be one app will be there, RBR app something. So there you will have like DSA things. So get the basics strong. So go to some institute and get the things done, and then you need to learn system design. So patterns and everything. Once you are good at these, then go for AI. Then you just check this Claude Anthropic course. So otherwise, like I'm planning to just summarize whatever in each part, like what they will tell. Like I will just summarize in 10 minutes like that. Then if you watch the course, then it will be a little fast, and it will make more sense to you. So I'm planning that. And if you have any questions regarding to jobs and regarding to AI or anything, just post a comment. So maybe I will reply to that comments. And one more thing, like I'm having some WhatsApp group, like you can join there. So I will post some job opportunities. And most important thing, don't pay any money to anyone. These are all, I think, mostly the company sites. You can just apply the company sites. Don't believe if you pay money you will get job. No. So build the skills and learn the things, then you will get the job for sure. Okay. So you need to log into like anthropicskilljob.com, so that here you can see the Anthropic course. Like there are nearly 18 topics are there, like Cloud 101, that is a basic, and Cloud Code 101, and Cloud Co-work, like how we need to work with a team like that. Then we have like Cloud Code in action, then AI fluency, like framework and foundation. This is a very important. Here we can see like how we need to ask questions, and how we need to analyze the output given by AI, and how we need to what the ethical and limitations we need to follow. So everything we will get to know in this AI fluency framework and foundation course. And after that we have like we can build with the cloud API and introduction to MCP. So MCP, it is like something like it's like USB drive to our computer. If you have like 1 TB of memory in our system, and if you want more memory, we will connect hard disk right through USB. It is the same way. If we need to give more context from outside world, then we need to use a model context protocol. So this is also very important. Then this is for influence for educators, for students, and some advanced topics are there. This is something like web work and clouds, vertex AI, teaching free fluency. Some things are, I think these are added very recently. I think some latest courses. So maybe like what I will do is like I will make sure like on each 1 or 2 topics, like I will brief these topics in 10 to 12 minutes, so that if you see these topics, and you can get very easily like you can understand these things. So otherwise, like you can just go to this course, and you can start by, there are some YouTube videos for on each course, so you can just enroll it, and you can get certificate after the completion of the course also, so that you can put in your LinkedIn profile like that. Okay, if you have any questions, please post a comment, so that I can reply to that one. And if you are new to the channel, and if you don't subscribe till yet, so please subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Bye.